Hey there, you're sitting at your desk, surrounded by financial documents. You're considering investing in cryptocurrency, but you're not sure where to start. Hook, what if I told you there's a platform that lets you invest in both traditional stocks and cryptocurrencies, all in one place? That platform is Wealthsimple. Building context. Now, you might be wondering, does Wealthsimple accept USDC? USDC, or the USD coin, is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. It's a popular choice among investors because it's less volatile than other cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll dive deep into whether or not Wealthsimple accepts USDC and explore the benefits of using this platform for your investments. Main body. Understanding Wealthsimple. Before we get into the specifics of USDC, let's quickly recap what Wealthsimple is. Wealthsimple is a Canadian investment firm that offers a range of financial products, including Wealthsimple Invest, a robo-advisor that uses algorithms to create personalized investment portfolios. Wealthsimple Trade, a commission-free stock trading platform. Wealthsimple Crypto, a platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. The USDC question. So, does Wealthsimple accept USDC? Unfortunately, as of current date, Wealthsimple doesn't directly support USDC trading. However, this doesn't mean you can't invest in USDC using Wealthsimple. Indirect USDC investment. There's a workaround. You can buy USDC on another platform and then transfer it to Wealthsimple to invest in other assets. Here's how it works. 1. Choose a USDC exchange. Look for a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that offers USDC trading. Some popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Gemini. 2. Buy USDC. Purchase USDC using your preferred payment method. 3. Transfer USDC to Wealthsimple. Withdraw your USDC from the exchange and transfer it to your Wealthsimple account. Once your USDC is in your Wealthsimple account, you can use it to invest in stocks, ETFs, and other assets available on the platform. Benefits of using Wealthsimple for USDC investments. While Wealthsimple doesn't directly support USDC trading, there are several benefits to using the platform for your USDC investments. Security. Wealthsimple has a strong reputation for security and adheres to strict regulatory standards. Ease of use. The platform is user-friendly, making it easy to manage your investments. Diversification. By investing in both traditional assets and cryptocurrencies, you can diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. Accessibility. Wealthsimple is accessible to investors of all levels, from beginners to experienced traders. Additional considerations. Before investing in USDC or any other cryptocurrency, it's essential to do your research and understand the risks involved. Cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, and their prices can fluctuate significantly. It's also important to consider the fees associated with buying, selling, and transferring USDC. Conclusion. While Wealthsimple doesn't directly support USDC trading, you can still indirectly invest in USDC by buying it on another platform and transferring it to your Wealthsimple account. If you're looking for a secure and user-friendly platform to invest in both traditional assets and cryptocurrencies, Wealthsimple is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.